Hey you guys, welcome back. My name is Julio, and behind the camera is my wife Christine, and we are the plug-in duo. So this is going to be a short video. We're going to show how to change the battery for your Honda key fob. In my case, this is the Honda Clarity, but this should be the same for what have you, for Passport, Civics, Accord. It should be the very same thing. So let's get to it. So let's get rid of the pesky notification on the dash telling us to replace the battery because it's constantly going on. It's frankly annoying. So here we are with the kiddos about to go out and we get that notification. So let's do this real fast. First thing we're going to do is on the back side of the key fob, we're just going to slide this back part and the metal piece is going to come out. And you can use a screwdriver, but what I do is I just use the key itself. You pop it open and twist it, and the whole key fob opens up. And for this, we're going to be replacing it with a 2032 coin style battery. And we already have one right here. So let's take this out, pull it from here, lift it up, and the battery is freed. And now let's get our new battery. Same way, the positive, which is the top with the shiny side, goes on top. Put it back in there, then align the other part of the plate, the key fob plate, and just close it together. Put the key back in place, and let's see if that did it. And just like that, there's no notification. You get those pesky messages about the battery being low. So that's how you change the battery for your Honda key fob. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys at the next time we plug in. And now we gotta go because we got 46 miles of electric only and 275 miles of hybrid mileage. So let's get on the road trip. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.